Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to do a party tax on the Poppo Life app. So what you're going to do now is to go straight to the app. Alright. So once we open the app, this is what we're gonna do. Now the app is open. So you look down here, you see live. The next one, that is where we're going to click on. So after live, from this down part here, you click on this thing that looks like cup down here. So I'll click on it. All right, you're going to see party. All right, you can see where it is written party. Right, look up, you're going to see following, and you're going to see party. So now the following is the people that I'm already following. So what I'm going to do anytime I want to do my party tax is to come here and go to my follow. So those people that I followed were the people that allowed me to sit on their panel. So what you would do, like as a new person, maybe you have not followed anyone, what you would do is to come to this party place. Okay, you will not go to follow it, you go to party. So what you're going to do now is to be entering party one after the other to know if there's any place that you see a space to sit for your task. So if you eventually find a place to sit, make sure you follow that person so that anytime you want to do your task, you go and check out if they are online, if they will allow you to sit. So what you're going to be doing here now is to be clicking on each of the parties. I'm going to click the first one here. I click on it. Alright.
Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, I said thank you. I said mama.
You can see this place is
Oh,
filled up.
SSD, wetin you dey interested for na to ask for dis thing. I give to you now. You don tell me thank you.
So the previous place we entered, there was no space, okay? And the people there, they were gisting, so there's no space there. So I'm going to click on the second one here. So this is how you're going to be searching and searching until you find a place to sit, and make sure you sit on the golden seat. All right, for your task to count for you, you're going to sit on the golden seat. So here you can see the seats are occupied. All right, so we're going to look for another place. I'm going to click on the third place. Sometimes it's not easy as a beginner, it's not easy to find a place to do your task, so you just keep searching. This place is filled. We now go to the next one.
More surprise.
This place is also
Oh, so busy.
okay. We keep searching. This place is filled too. Like I said, you must sit on that yellow seat. So once you open a place and the yellow seats are filled up, you look for a place and it is okay. Here is also filled up. The golden seats are filled up. So I will keep searching. And there is what we call agency. All right. Okay. Now here there is a yellow seat here, number 5. You can see it. Yellow seat is here, so I'm going to click on it if they are going to allow me to sit. Let me click on it. You can see on the mic list, okay, they will not be able to sit here because they have no, I don't know if they are going to give me the permission. So I will just click on confirm. If they accept me, good and fine. If they don't accept me, I will go. So they have not accepted me, so I'm going to go to another place and search. It's not easy as a beginner to find a place to sit, but as an old person, if I go to the people I'm following, I will see where to sit Well, now, okay, here we have a golden seat. This is number 2 now. Nobody is there. So what we're going to do here is to check if they're going to allow us to sit. So I'm going to click on that second place. See, I have sat down. So this person did not lock her seat, so I'm sitting there now. Now, I told you you must sit on your golden seat, on the golden seat for your task to count. So normally when you come, it's this number 2, 3, 4 that normally has the golden seat, except the person expands the number of seats, then you can have more golden seats, but normally it's 2, 3, 4 that golden seats. So make sure you sit in one of those seats if you want your task to count for you. All right, so now I'm sitting here already. If you look up here, you can see where there is a box, an orange box. You can see there's a time, something like a timer that is reading there. So once this thing gets to 00, that box will start shaking. So that is a free coin there. So make sure that when you're doing your task, when you're sitting here, make sure you are watching that box. Once it gets to 00, you click on it to claim a free coins. So this box do come up, I think it's about 8 to 10 times. Right, that's the number of times you are going to claim the coins once it gets to 00. So now I'm going to wait for it to get to 00 so that I will claim the coins. So after claiming the coins, it will go back to 04.059 and we start counting down again. Counting down, it will count down till it gets to 00. Now if you want to know how much time you have spent in the party, how much time is left for you, what you are going to do is to look down here at the downside. You're going to see this white, something that look like small circle into 4. That's the place you're going to click. Once you click there, you're going to click on reward. So once you click on reward, it's going to take you to this place where you're going to see live. So if you are doing your live, you check how many minutes you have spent. So we are going to scroll down. Let's scroll down to where there is party. Okay, you can see join party for 1 hour. You can see I have spent 22/60. That means I have spent 22 minutes. All right, so inside that 60 minutes I have spent what, 22 minutes. So the time that is up is the number of time that you have spent. All right, so I have spent 22 minutes. So it's remaining for me how many minutes to go? Up to 30, is it 36, maybe 38 minutes for me to complete it, right? All right, that's how you know how much time you have spent in the party or in your live. All right, so now we're going to go back to this place. The box is still counting. So we're going to wait for it to get to 00. You can see the other part of the minute is 00. It's the second side that is still reading. All right, so the seconds is also going to reach 00 and the box will start shaking. That's when you can claim it. So one of the advantages of joining an agency is when you don't see anywhere to do your task, you can contact your agent to open a panel for you to do your task. Okay, so make sure if you want to join an agency, make sure you join a good agency, someone that can guide you and sometimes gift you. All right, now I'm going to claim these coins here. You can see It's now 0000 and the box is shaking already. I'm going to click on the box. So once I click on the box, you see it says play game. Once I click on the play game, it will start loading. I will click on go back. Let me click on play games. I'll click on play games. Once it wants to load, I'll click on go back. You see the box will start counting again. This is how you'll be doing it, and you'll be claiming your points and be claiming your coins, I mean. All right, now to see your coins, you click on this down here. You see the place that looks like a gift box, the red gift box. All right, once you click on it, you will see how many coins you have. You can see I have 4,291 coins. All right, so that's where your coins will be showing. So once you are done, once your time is up to 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, you are going to see a red dot on this this down here, this place that looks like small circle into 4. There will be a red dot there. You now click on it, click on reward, then you now go and click on your points. Your point will be showing here. That's when you have completed your task. You just go and click on it and claim it. All right, that's basically how to do your party task. So if there's anything that I said that is not clear, you can drop your questions in the comment sections there. If there's any question, any unclear parts, you can let me know so that we explain further. All right, so at this point, I think we're going to stop at this point. Then I will see you on my next one. Bye.